In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn a live photo into a boomerang. So this is the live video right here, as you can see, and yeah, I want to turn that into a boomerang. So what you want to do is go to Instagram, add something to your story, just like this. Click on the photos icon at the bottom left corner. And right here you want to add the live photo, just like this. And in order to turn it into a boomerang, you want to long press or long hold your finger on the screen. And as you can see, it says boomerang, just like that. And at the top you can actually change the boomerang settings a bit up as well. You can do it in slow-mo. You can add a sort of echo to it, as you can see. And the duo, so it will go like slow and then really fast and then we're slow. So you can just choose that one for yourself, and once you've done that, you can actually like post it on your story or save it into your into your photos, just like this. And if you go back, right here you can see that this is the boomerang. And for this video, actually, you can see that we have the top and bottom sort of like Instagram background. So we can also just remove that just like this, and then click done. And it says preparing video, and as you can see, we have now a boomerang. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.